The flanker's external pylon undergoes rigorous ultrasonic testing, transmitting data on stress and density maps.
Microsur the crystal sensors capsule struck. The successful material division is confirmed. The overhead robot camera conducts a final visual check against
The titanium alloy begins its controlled heating cycle. The warm orange glow stabilizes the internal structure. The cryogenically stabilized titanium is subjected to an ultrasonic bath, visibly vibrating the solvent to ensure a pristine surface finish prior to laser etching.
This 4-meter-long component requires absolute precision, verified by laser alignment tools before the roughing cuts begin.
Secured in the high-precision vise, the titanium block undergoes micro-laser ablation to etch the critical alignment marks for the missile launch rail assembly.
Here we see the highly specialized gold-plated electrical connector pins. A technician performs a final visual.
The roughing cycle initiates. Coolant floods the workspace as the 5-axis CNC spindle descends rapidly.
The 4-meter-long external pylon body is transferred to a specialized vacuum chamber for thermal stabilization.
We are seeing minute flexure at point 4.
Yes, but the strain gauges remain within tolerance.
The internal harnesses are carefully connected to the primary junction box, where they are soldered and sealed to withstand extreme environmental conditions.
The titanium blocks pass through a pressurized airlock and sterilization curtain, entering the highly controlled manufacturing zone for the missile launch rail assembly.
The 1.5-meter-long titanium component is robotically transferred to an electro-polishing station, utilizing a gentle
The missile launch rail assembly is rapidly cycled 50 times, confirming the reliability of the weapon system under simulated operational conditions.
A laser sensor array calibrates the precise positional feedback sensors within the launch rail assembly.
A specialized, transparent marine-grade sealant is applied. This protects the internal electronics and titanium.
This cap prevents contamination and physical damage to the critical alignment pins during handling and transport.
Okay, that's aligned. Hand me the forward bolt.
Engaging the torque wrench now. Tension set.
The specialized diagnostic cable connects to the rail assembly interface. The technician initiates a full system.
Station 4, Missile 1 loaded.
Confirming pins engaged and secure. System indicates green.
Structural integrity confirmed. Electrical connectivity nominal. Good end-user experience report.